sprint for the far right side.
Okay, I'll try to work up the middle here.
Okay. This side. Communicate.
Yes, yell. Yell your targets, yell your shots.
We got a replacement. Yeah.
Yep.
Hold on.
You get on that side.
Hold on. I'm going to far. Yeah. Do you want me to go for that house?
If you want to.
Want to go for that house?
I'm going for the spool home. Two on the right! Two on the right! Home's out! Home's out! Home's out! Home is out! Who's got left? Chris, where is he? He's on the right side of the two-story building. Right side.
Let's go!
Got my tank.